Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap. I hope all of you are healthy and preparing well for upcoming exams. And my dear friends, as you all know that NABARD Grade A Phase 1 results are really out. So my dear friends, all of you are requested to gear up for the Phase 2 exam for NABARD Grade A. And as we all know that current affairs plays a really very important in the NABARD Grade A exam. That is the reason I am back with a very interesting session in which we are going to discuss the top PIB news from the month of October 2021. And today is the day 11 of this particular series for the month of October 2021. So before starting the session, if you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive all the latest updates of the courses and videos offered by us. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get the access to the PDF of the lectures. To join the Telegram channel, kindly click on the link given in the description below. So now let's move on to the session. And my dear friends, if we talk about the topics that we are going to discuss in the today's session, then today we are going to discuss the Green Grids Initiative, One Sun, One World, One Grid. And the second topic will be the Inspiration Masterclass on Goal Program. So let's move on to the very first topic, that is GGIOSOWOG. So my dear friends, the first topic is the Green Grids Initiative, One Sun, One World, One Grid. So recently, Shri R.K. Singh has addressed the ministerial dialogue, and this was the Northwest Europe Cooperative event on the Green Grids Initiative, One Sun, One World, One Grid. And if we talk about this particular program, then it was hosted by Wilton Park, which is an executive agency of United Kingdom's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office. And this particular event was being organized by Wilton Park in association with the International Solar Alliance, World Bank Group, and the United Nations Climate Change Conference UK 2021. If we talk about the aim of conducting this particular kind of event, then my dear friends, this particular event was being conducted in order to conduct a high level discussion on the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative. So let's discuss about the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative, that what exactly this is and what are the different targets under this particular initiative. So my dear friends, when we talk about this One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative, then this particular initiative was being put forward by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and this was done during the first assembly of the International Solar Alliance, which was held in the month of October 2018. And my dear friends, if we talk about the aim of this particular initiative, which was being put forth by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, then aim of this particular initiative was to connect the solar energy supply across the borders by setting up a transnational electricity grid supplying solar power across the globe. So that means that under this particular initiative, the government of India tried to set up a one single common grid which is going to supply the solar energy across the borders with the help of this one transnational electricity grid. So my dear friends, if we talk about this particular initiative, then this particular initiative is going to connect 140 countries through a common grid that will be used to transfer the solar power. And apart from that, if we talk about the vision of this particular One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative, then its vision is the sun never sets, and that is a constant at some geographical location globally at any given point of time. And if we talk about the execution of this particular initiative, then this particular initiative is going to be executed in three different phases. That means it will be implemented in three phases. If we talk about the very first phase, then my dear friends, under the first phase, this is going to connect the Indian grid. It is going to connect the Indian grid with the Middle East, South Asia, and other Southeast Asian grids in order to share solar as well as other renewable energy sources. And if we talk about the second phase, then my dear friends, under the second phase of its implementation, this grid is going to connect the first phase nations with the African pool of the renewable energy resources. And if we talk about the third phase, then my dear friends, the third phase will be the concluding step in which it is going to interconnect all the global phases, all the global countries. So that's how in these three phases they are going to set up a transnational electricity grid which is going to supply solar power across the globe. And my dear friends, this is the reason that this particular initiative is really very much important, and this initiative will be formally launched. This initiative will be formally launched during the COP26 conference which is going to held in Glasgow in November 2021. So I hope that this is very much clear to all of you. This particular article is very much clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the next topic of the today's session, that is Inspiration Masterclass on Goal Program. So my dear friends, recently Dr. Tijan Bai, who is also an celebrated Pandavani folk singer and also a Padam Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan awardee, she has addressed the Inspiration Masterclass on Goal Program, and during her address she was telling all the mentors and mentees of the Inspirational Masterclass on Goal Program. And my dear friends, what exactly this Inspiration Masterclass? So my dear friends, these kind of master classes are being conducted on fortnightly basis under the Goal Program. We are going to discuss this in the Goal Program, but let's discuss first about these Inspiration Master Classes. So under the Inspiration Master Classes, what exactly happen is the distinguished leaders as well as experts such as Dr. Tijan Bai from various fields are invited in order to interact with the mentees of the Goal Program, and these leaders guide their development through their personal as well as professional experiences. And that is the reason, and my dear friends, in order to provide these kind of trainings to these mentees and mentors in order to show them that how they have learned through their personal and professional experiences, how these mentees and mentors can use these experiences of these distinguished leaders in order to live a successful life in their particular dimensions. Okay, so now let's see that what exactly is the Goal Program. So my dear friends, before discussing about the Goal Program, you are really required to remember the full form of the Goal Program that is going online as leaders, and I am marking the star here as this particular full form is also very probable to be asked in the exam, and always these kinds of programs you are always required to remember their full form also. Okay, so my dear friends, if we talk about the Goal Program, then this particular program was being launched by Facebook in association with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, and this particular initiative was being launched on 15th of May 2020. And if we talk about the aim of the Goal Program, then under this particular program it aims to identify as well as mobilize 2500 renowned people from the industry who are known for their achievements in the respective domains to personally mentor tribal youth across India. And my dear friends, under this it also seeks to digitally skill and empower 5000 youth, especially who belongs to the tribal communities, and this kind of target is going to be achieved over a period of 5 years. So as we have already discussed that under the Goal Program these inspirational master classes are being conducted, and as we have already discussed that under these kind of classes also they are inviting the distinguished leaders from their different fields so that they can address these mentors and mentees of this Goal Program. As in under this particular Goal Program as well, what they are going to do, they are going to these 2500 renowned people from the industry who are known for their achievements in their respective domains, they are going to personally mentor the tribal youth across India. And if we talk about this particular program, then my dear friends, this is a 9-month program in which the 7th months there will be a 7 month of mentorship and the 2 month of internship for these mentees so that they can gain an on-ground experience. And if we talk about the core areas of mentorship programs, then my dear friends, they will be in the areas of digital literacy, the life skills, leadership, entrepreneurship, as well as sector specific skills. So my dear friends, I hope that this particular program is very much clear to all of you, that when was this particular program was being launched and what are the two organizations, sorry, not the organizations, as this particular thing was being launched by Facebook in along with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So the name of this organization as well as the name of the ministry along which this particular program was being launched is also very much important, and the targets under this particular program are also really very much important. That is, this particular program seeks to digitally skill and empower 5000 youth. from the tribal communities, and this will be done over a period of 5 years. So I hope that these two news articles that we have discussed in the today's session are very much clear to all of you. Now let's move on to a small MCQ series. So why we have brought this kind of series? See, this particular series have been brought in order to analyze that whether you have gathered all the key takeaways from this particular session or not. So my dear friends, the very first MCQ from this particular session is here on your screen. So all of you are requested to answer this particular question by quickly going through these particular statements, and you are going to tell me that which one of the following statement is or are incorrect regarding the goal program. See, if we talk about the very first statement, it says that Going Online as Leaders program was launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Snapchat. And if we talk about the second statement, it talks about the aim of the goal program. And if we talk about the third statement, it is one of the feature of the goal program that says that this is a 9-month program which includes 7 months of mentorship in areas such as digital literacy, life skills, leadership, as well as entrepreneurship. And my dear friends, please mark the keyword here. The keyword is that which one of the following statement is or are incorrect. So you are going to tell me that which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the goal program, whether it is option A, whether it is option B, C, D, and E. Please answer the question in the comment section below. And if we talk about the right answer, then my dear friends, the right answer to this particular question is both statement first and second are incorrect. And why so? Why these two statements are incorrect? Because statement 1 says that Going Online as Leaders program was launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Snapchat. So it was not being launched by Snapchat, but this was launched by Facebook, and that is the reason that first statement is incorrect. And if we talk about the second statement, it says that it aims to identify and mobilize 5,000 renowned people from the industry. So my dear friends, this particular 5,000 number was associated with the number of youth from the tribal communities who will be the beneficiary. But if we talk about this particular renowned people, then this particular number was 2,500, as this particular program aims to identify and mobilize 2,500 renowned people from the industry. So that is the reason that both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, and the right answer to this question is option B, that is both 1 and 2. So now my dear friends, all of you are requested to answer the second question in the comment section below, and this particular question is based on the one grid, on the One Sun One World One Grid initiative. And my dear friends, you are required to tell me that which one of the following statement is or are correct regarding the OSOWOG initiative. So quickly go through these particular statements and answer the question in the comment section below, that which statement is correct regarding the One Sun One World One Grid initiative. So here if we talk about the very first statement, the first statement says that this particular idea was of OSOWOG was put forth by Honorable Prime Minister of India during the first assembly of the International Solar Alliance in October 2018, and as per our discussion, this first statement is correct. And if we talk about the second statement, the second statement says that it aims to connect solar energy supply across borders by setting up a transnational electricity grid supplying solar power across the globe. And once again, this particular statement is correct. And if we talk about the third statement, the third statement says that it will connect 140 countries through a common grid that will be used to transfer solar power. And my dear friends, this third statement is also correct as per our today's discussion on the One Sun One World One Grid. So if we talk about the right answer, then the right answer to this particular question is going to be option D, that is all of the above. So I hope that with these kind of questions, by practicing these kind of questions, you have got a very fair idea that what kind of questions are being asked in the exam, and on what lines you are required to cover these kind of news articles from these PIB. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope that today's session was useful and fruitful to all of you. If you have liked the session, please give a thumbs up in the comment section below, and if you have any queries, then you can drop us a mail at hello@edutab.co.in, and you can also call us at 814-620-7241. So my dear friends, that was all from the today's session. Thank you for joining us. Wish you all happy learning.